So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 119,045. It's almost 119,000. Yesterday was an interesting day because at the time of recording video, it was actually above 120. It was somewhere here, 121, 122. It made an attempt towards 122,000 some hundred, but it was a full candle body. It was the first candle ever to go above $120,000 with the body, and I told you that it's too early to comment on it. Why? Because we don't know if this thing is going to close above the area of 120 with the candle body or not, because I told you that previously it has done all this drama, but none of the candles with the bodies closed above it, not even a single candle. Everything you see is a wick. Wicks don't count. They go and they touch the bodies, they always stay below 120. 120 is acting as a very good resistance. Very good in a sense that it's been weeks, and it has made historically other attempts historically in near future, not near past. I'm not talking about history of like 5 years or something. I'm talking about months here. So since it has touched the area of 120, it is making all kind of attempts towards the area of 132. But so far, when did it touch 120 for the first time? That was, I think, 11th of July. So you can say it's been almost a month that it has gone up and touched 120 multiple times, created all-time high 123. It makes attempts towards it, but at the end of the day, the main problem that we are facing is that Bitcoin is not able to form 2 daily candles with the body above area of 120, and until and unless I don't see it forming 2 daily candles above 120 with the body, I cannot assume that it will pump 10% from 120 to 132. And that's pretty much the case scenario with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is ranging, it goes to 118. I mean, in one single candle, this candle that dramatically failed, if we look at it from a close-up perspective, this is pretty scary candle because it went to 122 only to drop towards 118. So in single candle it moved $4,000, and it can catch people off guard, making you think that okay, it got bullish, FOMO is in, let's go to the moon, but then it turns out to be a fake move. And that's why we really need confirmations. Yes, without confirmation you can jump, be my guest, but the thing is that if things go wrong, you'll be married to Bitcoin for quite some long time, because I do know people from last bull run, they bought Bitcoin around 62, 63, then they were stuck till start of January 2024 or end of 2023, I forgot. That was the time when Bitcoin went above $60,000. Finally they got out of it. So be really careful. Instead of being greedy, always be fearful. Being fearful helps you more in the market. It's better to be a paper hand than a diamond hand. Diamond hands, they have stories and screenshots. Paper hands have actual money in their bank account. Anyway, that's Bitcoin for you. If it is not living above 120, we should prepare for downward journey towards 115 first, then 110, or if you want to use the TA support of 112. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.